Welcome to another stage analysis video. It's Sunday the 4th of August 2024. I'm going to start off today's video with a chat about what's going on with some of the major crypto coins, particularly Ethereum here, with its making a stage 4 breakdown attempt. So similar to what we've seen across the rest of the market this week, with lots of stocks making stage 4 breakdown attempts. So I'm starting to see more and more of the crypto coins of late have been rolling over as well, but Ethereum being the second largest of the two behind Bitcoin, now making a stage 4 breakdown, with Bitcoin still lingering in potential stage 3 at the moment, as you can see. So come back to the Ethereum chart here, you can see the original stage 2 breakout attempt back around this area, started to move out into stage 2. Didn't make much progress initially low, started to roll back over again, so that was around in March time, then started to roll back over again and actually turned back into stage 3 once more, as the rest of the crypto coins were struggling during this period too. But then made a continuation breakout back into stage 2 again, has made good progress since. So current structure through here, you can see the recent low has been tested multiple times. It's now making a lower low for the first time in a while, so you can see by the red dot here on the chart, first major breakdown attempt that it's had since back in the 2022 period. So 30-week moving average, not quite yet there. Let me go change the chart style. Let's see, yeah. So 30-week moving average hasn't quite yet rolled over, still rising slightly. If we look at the daily chart here, you can see the breakdown attempt on this a little bit more clearly today, so happening on a Sunday, so out of normal market hours, but the volume is still reasonable on that, and below, breaking down on the Mansfield relative strength line to lower lows as well here. This could still turn into a spring and rebound back up from here, as it has done multiple times before, but it is in a technically weaker position than it has been for a while now, with the technical attributes dropping down to a SATA 1 of 10 at the moment. So it's only got one of the 10 characteristics that we look for when we're looking for stocks in stage 2, for example. So currently making a stage 4 breakdown attempt here, with the Mansfield relative strength line being broken. If we look at Bitcoin, you can see similar kind of pattern, but it hasn't yet broken down into stage 4, so we need to break convincingly below this line here, and the 30-week moving average to start rolling over. So at the moment, still within a base structure in what we consider late stage 2. So broke out into stage 2 earlier in the year, back in January. So January 16th week was the initial breakout, came in for a backup, and then rebounded quite strongly. Had a good range through this period when the other crypto coins were a bit weaker, showed relative strength and led the way higher in stage 2, and has been the leader through the majority of the year for the crypto coins. So right back at around the old highs from 2021 at the moment. So still rolling over from that area. So moved above it a couple of times, but in a base structure now, and potentially in early stage 3. But as with Ethereum, you can see, and as we've seen with multiple stocks, early stage 3 can quickly turn to stage 4 as fear drives on the downside, and people get out much quicker than they get in a lot of the time. So you can get quick, sharp breaks to the downside when it's moving to stage 4, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna. But Ethereum is making the attempt at the moment, so Bitcoin could follow. One more I wanted to have a quick look at before moving on to the major stocks again is Solana. So this again had a really good stage 2 breakout attempt a little bit later in October 2023 here. So it went sideways through the year while Bitcoin and Ethereum were moving higher in stage 2. So, but had a really strong stage 2 move from that point onwards, and has now been going sideways for a little while again. Moved back around the 30-week moving average a couple of times now. So potentially in stage 3 here, and could quickly turn to stage 4 if it makes a break to the downside through this area, as the 30-week moving average would roll over at that point. 10-week would start to cross below, etc. But at the moment, still in stage 3 currently, so could yet make a continuation and continue on in stage 2, but with the major crypto coins weakening, and you can see across the board some general weakness in the coins. Then potential for a stage 4 breakdown. Just quickly, Matic, for example, already in stage 4. You've got Dogecoin rolling over here, so technically in stage 3 maybe there. Cardano is in stage 4 currently. XRP chopping around, so it's either in stage 1 or stage 3 there. BNB again stage 3. So majority of the crypto coins showing some near-term weakness at the moment, along with the rest of the market.